Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Fluency Hub Podcast. I'm Emily, and today we've got something super practical for you. How to talk when you meet someone for the very first time in English.
Exactly. I'm Alex, and we're going to show you not just what to say, but how to sound natural, like a real conversation between two people meeting for the first time.
Right, because greetings and small talk are the first steps to making a good impression. So Alex, let's imagine we're meeting for the first time at a cafe.
Perfect. Let's start the scene. Meeting for the first time.
Hey, are you Alex?
Yeah, hi. You must be Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. What about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Wow, it's such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. It's the best kind of weather to grab a coffee and chat.
Couldn't agree more. So, have you been to this cafe before?
A few times, yeah. They make amazing cappuccinos. You should try one.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll definitely try that. After the greeting.
See? That's how natural conversation starts. Nothing too formal, just simple, friendly lines.
Exactly. And notice how we used short, polite questions like, "How are you?" "What about you?" and "Have you been here before?" These are perfect for small talk.
Yes, and tone matters a lot. Say it warmly, with a smile. That's how people know you're friendly and open.
Right. Sometimes learners memorize sentences but forget to sound friendly. It's not only what you say, it's how you say it. Meeting at work or school.
Okay, let's imagine another situation. You're meeting a coworker or a classmate for the first time.
All right, let's do it.
Hi there, I'm Emily. I just joined the team this week.
Oh, hey, welcome. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do here?
I work in the marketing department. What about you?
I'm part of the design team.
That's great. I guess we'll be working together on some projects then.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Same here. If you need any help settling in, just let me know.
That's really kind of you. Thanks, Alex. Okay, listeners, let's break that down.
When you meet someone at work or school, keep it polite and positive.
Use phrases like, "Nice to meet you," "Welcome aboard," or "Looking forward to working with you."
And if you want to sound more natural, you can add little friendly offers like, "If you need any help, let me know."
Yes, it shows kindness and builds a friendly connection. Meeting a friend of a friend.
Now, let's imagine you're at a party, and your friend introduces you to someone new.
All right, ready?
Hey, Emily, this is Sarah. Sarah, meet Emily.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh, really? Hopefully all good things.
Of course. So, how do you know Alex?
We went to college together. We've been friends since then.
That's awesome. Alex has told me you're really good at photography.
Aw, that's sweet of him. Yeah, I do a bit of photography as a hobby.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to learn.
You can see how small talk works here. It's light, friendly, and it flows naturally.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, find common ground. Ask about hobbies, how they know your friend, or what they do.
Common English phrases for greetings and small talk. Let's share some useful phrases for our listeners.
Good idea! Here are some you can use when meeting someone. Hi, I'm your name. It's nice to meet you. How's it going? How's your day been? It's great to finally meet you in person. I've heard so much about you. What brings you here? Do you come here often? The weather's really nice today, isn't it? So, what do you do? That sounds interesting.
And don't forget, keep your body language open. Smile, make eye contact, and nod when you listen.
Yes, because communication isn't just words, it's also your attitude.
Ending a conversation politely. Okay, Emily, let's show how to end a conversation politely.
Sure, let's act it out.
It was really nice talking to you, Emily.
Yeah, same here. I really enjoyed our chat.
Maybe we can grab coffee sometime next week.
That would be great. Let's stay in touch.
Perfect. Have a good day.
You too. See you around.
Notice how polite that was. We didn't just walk away. We ended naturally.
Right. You can use lines like, "It was nice talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. Let's stay in touch. Have a great day."
These make you sound friendly, confident, and respectful.
Now, you might think greetings are simple, but they're actually very important.
Absolutely. The first few seconds decide what kind of impression you make.
Yes, in English-speaking countries, people value politeness, eye contact, and a positive tone.
That's why learning natural greetings is key to sounding fluent.
And if you make a small mistake, don't worry. Just smile and continue. Confidence matters more than perfection.
Exactly. Nobody expects you to sound like a native speaker. Just be natural and kind.
Let's talk about cultural differences for a moment.
Sure. For example, in the US or the UK, people often shake hands when they meet for the first time.
Yes, but if it's a casual situation, a friendly wave or smile is enough.
And usually, people like to keep some personal space. About an arm's length away.
Good point. Also, when you greet someone, don't ask too personal questions like, "How much do you earn?" or "Are you married?" Those are considered rude.
Exactly. Instead, talk about neutral topics like hobbies, work, movies, or travel.
Let's do one last quick example, just to tie everything together.
Okay, I'll start. Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Hey Alex, nice to meet you. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do?
I work as a teacher. What about you?
I'm a content creator. I make educational videos online.
That's awesome. I love watching English learning videos.
Thanks. Maybe you can check out my channel sometime.
Sure, I'd love to. Anyway, it was great talking to you.
You too. Have a nice evening.
So, to everyone listening, remember, communication starts with connection.
Yes. When you meet someone, don't overthink it. Smile, say hello, and be yourself.
Practice a few of these lines daily, and soon they'll feel natural.
And if you want to sound more fluent, keep listening to podcasts like this one.
Exactly.
All right, guys, that's all for today's episode. How to talk when you meet someone for the first time.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to practice your greetings with friends or even in front of a mirror.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then,
Stay confident and keep speaking English.